You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, originally from French, and how to say it in English. Let's break it down. The French word is promenade, which is like a little walk for leisure. Promenade. Now, in English, it's normally pronounced either. There are two correct pronunciations, I'm afraid, in English. Promenade, which is similar to the French pronunciation, promenade. Now, the American English pronunciation is usually as promenade. This is a leisurely paved public walk. Promenade or promenade. Two correct pronunciations, and now you know how to pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.